What is up, guys? Today we are finally getting back out on the ice. You're probably thinking, what? You still ice fish? I know, it's been a while since I made an ice fishing video. I've gone on 4 trips in the last 7 days of Christmas break, and things just keep going wrong. One day, it was so cold all the batteries died. Another day, it was raining, so I had to pack all the camera gear away. And another day, I just sucked at fishing and couldn't catch anything. But it doesn't matter, because here's a little compilation, a little montage of the last couple trips, some of the footage that I thought was fun and you might like to watch. So, starts right here. Anyways, today we are at a pond that I've fished quite a few times before. I've actually caught some big bass and some big bluegill out of here, and today we're gonna try and get into them. We do get into them, I'm not gonna lie. I'm filming this after the fishing. I forgot to film it before, so we're sitting in the car right now doing it. But we hit them hard. We jacked some jaws, ripped some lips. Stay tuned. Oh my God, yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Let's go. We finally got one on the finicky fooler. That is so sick. Did it just break me off? It didn't. It popped off. And it's the best one of the day. Look at that. Let's go. That is so sick. Oh my God, no way. No way. No way. As I'm setting it up, a fish took it. No way. That is crazy. Wow, that guy. I literally, the minnow dropped in the hole, 10 seconds. I'm setting it up, pulling the line down. The line gets pulled away. I'm like, what the heck? And we just caught that beast. Let's go. Oh, that is so sick. Guess we need another minnow. Oh my God. Bass is coming up. Bass is coming up on the camera. Got him. Oh yes, it's fighting hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. No, it broke me out. No, I still got him. Stop. Jigging. Using a tiny little jig for bluegill. And we just hooked up with that nice guy. Wow. Whew. That is pretty sweet. We're gonna put him back. There he goes. Oh, that was sweet. What the heck? What the heck? I don't know if this is real or not. Oh no, it was the minnow. Sick. Got one. Here we go. Just a small bluegill. Broke my plastic. Sick. What the heck? No way. No way. No way. I just did it again. I was like, something isn't right with this. I walk over and a fish had it the entire time. Stop. There we go, little tiny bass. We're gonna see if we can use the same minnow. Looks like he's still flopping around a bit. Oh, just fell off the hook. I guess he's a goner. Oh my God, we have a flag. When did that go up? Oh, it's running right now. Got him. Oh, a nicer one? Oh, maybe not. Look nicer. Nice. Lighting's not very flattering. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash the like button, pound the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in 2 years when I drop another ice fishing video. Peace.